Hey everyone, I'm Jeep Momma and I'm out here in my garage and I just finished up some maintenance on my spare tire swing gate on my rear bumper. Yesterday, I went into the back of my Jeep to get some stuff, and when I went to open the spare tire swing gate, I couldn't even push it open. I had to get my son to come help me, and both of us together could barely push it open. So I needed to get the swing gate off of the bumper, but it had seized up. So I had been spraying it with some PB Blaster, and we tried to lift the swing gate off, but no luck. So I just kept spraying and spraying, like the can says. Anything that is rusted or corroded, stuck or frozen, hey, shake the can. Completely saturate the troubled area. Don't hold back if you think it's not enough. Go ahead, give it another spray. Let it sit a few minutes. Tap lightly and respray to hasten results. So that's what I did. I sprayed and sprayed and sprayed some more. And then we could not lift it up. It was stuck. And it was swinging a little better, but it was still really tough. So I texted Jeff from Adrenaline Off-Road. I said, hey, what do I do? My spare tire swing gate is stuck and I can't get it off. So Jeff suggested I just bang it with this dead blow hammer. You can hear the sand or the little beads in there. So that's what I did. I put a cloth over the swing gate so I wouldn't damage the paint, and I just went and hit and hit and hit. So I did that for a while, and then we tried to lift it off again and it just wouldn't lift. So we called my Jeeper friend who lives just down the street and asked if he had anything that would help. And he brought over a BFCB. I'm getting myself one of those. But he couldn't come till this morning. So what I think what happened was this PB Blaster soaked down in there and loosened up, and from me banging on it, and we kept swinging it back and forth as much as we could. When that BFCB, the big effing crowbar, Henry just pushed it up a little and it came right off. So, easy, PB Blaster, dead blow hammer, and I'm heading over to Harbor Freight to get me a big effing crowbar. So, a piece of advice. Every couple of months, I suggest that if you have one of these swing gates that you can lift off the rear bumper, I suggest you do a little maintenance, lift it off, and grease it up. I use this Valvoline full synthetic grease, and I just slathered it on the post, and then I slid my swing gate back on. That was easy. And now, look at it swing. I can do it with one hand. Easy peasy.